So good morning students. Once again myself Muhammad Irshad, your maths teacher, is back with you all through this medium. Hope you all are fine, staying at home and focusing more on studies. This is your third class of maths recorded for Sunday 22nd of March 2020. In this class I am going to start exercise 13.4, which is about surface area of a sphere. So let's start exercise 13.4 given on page 225. You can open your book, page 225. A brief idea about a sphere. I know you all are familiar with the sphere. So what is a sphere? A sphere is a three-dimensional figure which is made up of all points in the space which lie at a constant distance, called the radius. You can see here in the diagram I am trying to show by the pointer, from a fixed point called the center of the sphere. Here it is D and this is R. From here to here R, this is also R. So this is center of the sphere. And note the sphere is like surface of a ball. The sphere is like the surface of a ball. Here in this sphere you can see this is, if you will cut from the middle, then this is called hemisphere. Two equal halves, and the cross-sectional area will looks like a circle. There will be diameter or radius, and this the outer surface are known as curved surface area, and this the base or circular area. Let's move. So first we will see what formula are going to be applied in this exercise while solving the sums given in these exercises. Let's see, have a look on it. This you can find on your book, page 223 and page 224, surface area and volume. But this exercise will deal with the surface area of a sphere. So what is the surface area of a sphere? Surface area of a sphere is equals to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. R is the radius of that sphere, where r is the radius of a sphere. And hemisphere, I told you, the word hemi means half. This is a diagram of hemisphere. So if you will see this curved surface area, its formula, curved surface area of a hemisphere is equals to 2 pi r square, because total is 4 pi r square, so half will be 2 pi r square. And here the r is again for the radius of the sphere, of which the hemisphere is a part. This hemisphere is a part of a sphere. Now taking the two faces of hemisphere, we will get its total surface area. Two surface means this curved surface and this the base one, the circular surface. So the curved is 2 pi r square and this base will be the area of a circle, pi r square. We will add these 2 pi r square plus pi r square, we will get 3 pi r square. So what we got here, the area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Hope it is clear to you all. Memorize all these formulas. Now move to our question 1. Question number 1, you can see in your book. Here also I have written for your convenience. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 10.5 centimeter, 5.6 centimeter and 14 centimeter. So what you have to do here, radius they have given, just you have to put the formula and write the value of the variables, the unknown quantities. For example, number 1, r is given 10.5 centimeter and you have to find the surface area of a sphere. So surface area of a sphere we all know is equals to 4 pi r square. Just put the value of these things. So 4, then multiply, pi means 22 by 7, r is given here 10.5, so 10.5, and in bracket we can put on top, we can put it square, 10.5 square, and unit will be centimeter square, because we are finding the areas unit will be the unit square. So this is 4, this will be same 22 by 7, and this can be written twice, 10.5 into 10.5, because this is a square, or you can find the square also, but if you will find the square, the calculation will become bigger and it will consume more time, so just write it 2 times. Now you can cut this by 7 one times, and this 7 if you will cut 7 one times, 3 will be from here and 5 will come, so 35, 7 5 is 35. Now here you can see after one digit point, after one digit you can put the point, so it will be 1.5. Now you can multiply this 4, 22, 10.5 and 1.5, then you will get the answer, this one. You can do your rough calculation in your notebook. So you will get 1386 centimeter square. Similarly for 2 and 3 you can do it. I have done here, you can see here. For 2, r is given 5.6. So again the same thing, surface area of a square 4 pi r square, just put the value, this write it 2 times, then cut this by 7 and just multiply this all 4 numbers, 4, 22, 5.6 and 0.8, you will get this answer, 394.24 centimeter square. Here nothing to explain. All these 3 sums are same kind. Number 3 also I have solved for you. You can do by yourself also, or you can see it from here also. You can match it from here after doing. So same thing, surface area of a square is equals to 4 pi r square, and then put the value, then calculate it. You have to keep in your mind the unit of area will come, whatever unit will be there, the square will come. Means square unit, if meter or centimeter, whatever, you have to put there is square. Even you can write like SQ dot centimeter, that the square centimeter, or like this. Now let's move to question number 2. So question number 2, find the surface area of a sphere of a diameter. So here also you have to find the area only, surface area of a sphere, but here the given quantity is diameter, not the radius. In the question number 1 they have given radius, here question number 2 they have given radius. Question number 2 they have given diameter. So from the diameter you can find first radius. One step is extra here, remaining all are same like 1. So here r, you know radius is equals to diameter by 2, so r will be diameter by 2. Diameter is 14, so 14 by 2 you will get 7. So you got the radius 7 here. This is the only extra step here, remaining all are same like question number 1. Once you will get the radius, then you can write the formula, surface area of a sphere is equals to 4 pi r square, then put the value of pi and radius. So same you can see here, I have put, then I have cut this 7 and 7 by 1 time, then you can multiply 4, 22 and 7 all together, you will get this answer, 616 centimeter square. 2 and 3 is also same, you can see here I have done 2 and 3 here only. R is given, so you can diameter is given here 21, so r you can find diameter by 2, you will get this. Then the remaining thing is same, just put the formula and substitute the value of pi and r, and you can calculate it. Hope here no need of explanation. So let's move to question number 3. This is question number 3. Find the total surface area of a hemisphere, not a sphere, hemisphere of radius this, and they told you to find total surface area. I have given you the formula, hope you remember. So what is given here? Radius. Radius equals to 10 centimeter, and total surface area of a hemisphere is equals to 3 pi r square, means the curved surface area plus the base area, means circular area, that is pi r square. So total will be 3 pi r square. So 3 is here, pi we know, here the value they have given, we have to use pi equals to 3.14. So instead of pi I have put 3.14, and r means 10 square. R is given 10, so 10 square. 10 square means 100, I have put it here, make it here. 10 square means 10 into 10 means 100. Now you can multiply all these 3, you will get 942 centimeter square. When you multiply all this, 20 will come here. A point is after 2 digits, so in the last you can put the decimal after 2 digits, so it will give you 942 centimeter square. Let's move to next question, number 4. Question number 4 is the radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as the air is being pumped in it. Find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in 2 cases. So first case is with the radius 7 centimeter, and second case will be with the radius 14 centimeters. See here, when the radius was 7 centimeter. For the first case radius I have taken small r, and second case radius I have taken capital R. So when the first case radius was 7 centimeter, then I will find that surface area of balloon is equals to 4 pi r square. Just substitute the value. 4 into pi is same like pi, because we are going to find in ratio, so don't calculate it. It will save your time. Just expand it. Substitute the value of pi and r. So pi is same like that. Don't put the value, also leave it like this, because in ratio it will be cut, and then r equals to 7, so it will come 2 times 7 into 7. And in second case radius is 14, so again you can write the surface area of spherical balloon is equals to 4 pi r square, that is 4 pi is same like pi, and r will come here 14 into 14 centimeter square. Now the required ratio of the surface area of the balloon in two cases is equals to the first one from here and over second one, so this one. Now you can cut this 4 will and 4 cut, pi and pi cut, 7 one time, 7 two times, again 7 one times, and 7 two times. So when you will multiply here, 1 into 1 1 in numerator will come, and in denominator 2 into 2 will be 4, that is 1 by 4. In ratio, that means you can write it 1 by 4 as 1 is to 4. So your answer is 1 is to 4. Hope it is clear to you all. This is very easy numerical. Let's move to question number 5. Question number 5. A spherical ball made up of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating. Find the cost of tin plating on it. On the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. So here r is given, the diameter is given. I will find the r is equals to diameter by 2. When you will divide 10.5 by 2, you will get 5.25. You got the radius. Now find the inner surface area of the ball. So inner surface area of the ball is equals to this is hemispherical ball, keep in your mind. So for the hemisphere, the curved surface area is 2 pi r square, and it is talking about internal part, so it will be same 2 pi r square. So 2 pi means 22 by 7, and r we got here 5.25, so it's square. You can write it here. 2 into 22 will be 20, 44, and this one you can solve it 2 times. You can write 5.25 will come one time, and 5.25 when it will be cut by this 7, you will get 0.75. When you will expand this, or if you don't understand this calculation, you just expand this. You can write it 2 times. 5.25 multiply by 5.25, then 1 will be cut by this 7, you will get this, or you can multiply all numerator part and divide by 7, you will get this answer. So means you got the, you can do this calculation in your own way, no problem, in any way, but it should be correct and logical. So you will get this answer, 173.25 centimeter square. So this is the area what I have to do, like a tin plating there. So cost of 100 centimeter square tin plating is rupees 16 they have given. So first we will find the cost of 1 centimeter square tin plating. So what it will be, this 16, this 100 will come down, means 16 by 100. Cost of 1 centimeter tin plating will be rupees 16 by 100. Therefore cost of this area what we have find, for that how much it will be. So the cost of 173.25 centimeter square tin plating is equals to whatever is here for 1, that will be multiplied with our areas. So 16 by 100 multiplied by 173.25. So what you will do here, just multiply this 16 with this number 173.25 and shift the decimal after 2 digit, because in denominator hundreds are there, 2 zeros are there. Or you can do in your own way this calculation, no problem. Answer will come this rupees 27.72 paise. Now move to question number 6. Number 6, find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So the surface area of a sphere we all know 4 pi r square, and they have given the surface area this much. We have to find the radius here. So instead of this surface area, surface area of a sphere, I will put 154, and that side after the equal, means the right hand side of the equal, we will put this formula 4 into pi means 22 by 7 into r square will be same like same as it is. Now this part we can calculate. Now what we have done, this whole right hand side part we have taken to left hand side, and the left hand side 154 I have put it in right hand side, means we have interchanged the sides, nothing, no calculations are there, just we have changed their sides, whole sides. Now you can see here we want to find r, so r square I will keep it here, remaining all I will send to that side. So already there is 154, this 7 will go that side, it is in division, so it will go in multiplication, so 154 multiplied by 7. Now 4 multiplied by 22 is here, it will go in division that side, so 4 into 22. Now we can cut this 22 one time, and here 22 7 times, we'll cut this. Now this 7 into 7, and this 4 is here, so r square we got this, you know, r square. Now we want r, so I have to put under root. When we will move this square from here, that side root will come. So once it will come, the square root of this 49 by 4, 7 into 7 49, so 49 by 4 square root will come for 49 7, and for 4 it will come 2. Now r is 7 by 2. You can divide this 7 by 2, you will get 3.5. So this is 3.5, and unit will be centimeter. Here you can write centimeter. So radius of the sphere we got, the what it will be, therefore the radius of a sphere is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Move to question number 7. The question number 7, what is it? Just read it, try to understand the question first. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Read it carefully. The diameter of moon is approximately how much? 1/4 of the diameter of earth. Find the ratio of their surfaces. So let's the diameter of earth is 2r. Let the diameter of earth is 2r. So radius will be r, half of this. So r. Then the diameter of moon will be how much? They said 1/4 of the diameter of earth, means 1/4 of this. So 1/4 will be multiplied by 2r. So what it will come when I will multiply 1/4 of 2r? So it will be 2r by 4. Then you can cut this 2 and 4, 2 one time and 2 2 times. So it will come r by 2. Diameter of moon will come r by 2. Now we can find the radius for moon. Radius of moon. So again this will be divided by 2. When you will divide by 2, means 2 will come here. That will give you r by 4. R by 4. When you will divide, means denominator will be multiplied by 2. So it will come r by 4. So now you got the radius of earth and radius of moon. Now you can find the surface area of both earth and moon. Now the surface area of moon will be, you know, the surface area is equals to of a sphere is equals to 4 pi r square. So 4 pi, and instead of r we have put the radius of moon. So r by 4, and that is square. So it will give you 4 pi r square by 4. 4 pi r square by 16, because 4 square will come 16. Then you can reduce this 16. This 4 will cut by 16. Denominator will be left as 4, and here will be left pi r square. So this is one, you got the surface area of moon. Now the surface area of earth, we all know 4 pi r square, because its radius is r only. Radius of earth is r only, so 4 pi r square. This numbered as 2. Now you have to find what they told you, find the ratio of their surface. So we'll find because here they have mentioned first the diameter about moon. So first I will write the surface area of moon. So here required ratio means the ratio of the surface area of moon to the surface area of earth. So here first I have written the surface area of moon by surface area of earth, and surface area of moon we got from number 1 pi r square by 4, and this surface area of earth is from number 2. You can see here number 2, Roman 2. So it will be written as 4 pi r square by 4, pi r square by 4, this part, and this will go here below. Denominator is nothing 1, so 1 will go up and this will come down. So it will be written in this form. Here pi r square you can cut. So what will left here? Nothing, means 1, and here 4 into 4 16. So 1 by 16, that can be written as 1:16. 1:16. Now we will move to question number 8. Question number 8, what they are asking, a hemispherical ball, again hemispherical. Hemispherical ball is made up of steel. Its thickness is 0.25 centimeter. The inner radius of the ball is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area of the ball. So inner radius we are having 5 centimeter, and thickness we have to add, then we will get the external radius, because we have to find the external area, external outer curved surface area. So we need the external radius, outer radius. So thickness is this one. So what will be the outer radius of the ball? I am writing here capital R. That will be internal, that is 5, plus the thickness 0.25. Then you will get 5.25. This will be your outer radius. Now you got the outer radius, so you can get the outer curved surface area of hemispherical ball. So outer curved surface area of the ball is equals to, it's a hemisphere, so 2 pi r square. Capital R I have used because it is for outer radius. So 2 pi, you know, 22 by 7, and r we got 5.25, so it's square. So this is 2, this same like this, and this if you will take out its square, 5.25 square means 5.25 multiplied by 5.25, you will get this 27.5625. By 7 you can cut this, you will get this one. Then you can multiply this 2 by 22, whatever will come, that will be multiplied by 3.9375. You will get 173.25 centimeter square. So the curved surface area of the hemispherical ball is equals to 173.25 centimeter square. Now move to question number 9, the last question of this exercise. This question, a right circular cylinder. This is a cylinder we have done in previous exercise 13.3. So a right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. See in the figure, this is a figure. Encloses means tightly fit, means whatever will be the diameter of this cylinder, the same will be the diameter for this sphere. And what is its diameter of the sphere? That will be its height of the cylinder. So here you have to find the surface area of the sphere. So let the radius of the sphere be r. So radius of this cylinder will also be r, same, and the height of the cylinder will be equals to diameter. So diameter, that means 2r. Height of the cylinder is equals to diameter. You can see this is the height and this is the diameter of a sphere. So both will be same, and radius of the sphere is r, so diameter will be 2r. So the height of the cylinder will be 2r. I have written here height of the cylinder is equals to 2r. So question number 1, the surface area of a sphere is equals to 4 pi r square. Pi is constant, r I have taken as a radius, so this will be the answer. Surface area of a sphere is equals to 4 pi r square. Second question, the curved surface area of cylinder. The curved surface area of cylinder, you know, we have done in previous exercise. What is the curved surface? Means the lateral surface area of a cylinder, 2 pi r h. So 2, then pi, and r is same r, and instead of h we have to write 2r, because here we have taken the height of a cylinder is equals to 2r. So 2r. When you solve this, 2 into 2 4, then pi, and r square, so 4 pi r square. So curved surface area of cylinder is equals to 4 pi r square. That is equals to the surface area of sphere, because we know the surface area of a sphere is also equals to 4 pi r square. So here in this case both curved surface area will be same. And question number 3, ratio of the area obtained in question number 1 and 2. So both are same, only 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square. So we will find the required ratio is equals to 1 over 2, area of 1 over area of 2. So both are same, 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square. So we can cut the numerator and denominator and we will get 1 by 1. That we can also write 1 is to 1 by 1, or you can write it like 1 is to 1. So this was the end of this exercise. Hope you all are practicing the previous one. Keep practicing, otherwise you will forget everything. So hope that this class was also clear. Today my voice was little choking. I am having a little throat problem, but hope no difficulties in understanding. Hope it will be clear for you all. So especially those students are weak in this class, this is a best time for you to improve. You are getting lots of time in your house, so don't waste your time in sleeping and playing. Just focus on your study and try to utilize this time and improve your studies, and stay at your home, be safe and sound. So this is the end for today. Have a good day. Thank you.